How to roast sweet potato at home. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We are just at the market trying to get some things to cook today. We want to get potato. We want to make roasted potato at home. So this is Adelabu market and we want to get potato. So let's get a potato and go home right now. So I've never been here. Potato latte. I'm a big fan of street food. So I saw where they are frying egg buns. I like egg buns too much. So I was like, okay. And I like when I go to the market and see street food. It's an opportunity for me to buy my snack. So I actually bought egg buns and then pop off. These are the two street food I like. But if they have had buns, I will have get buns, but they don't have. So we are moving home right now to get our sweet potato roasted. So I'm at the lab. I'm trying to get a keke napep that will take me home for the full business. Now this is our potato. This is white potato. We have two types of potato. We have the purple and the white potato. This is not Irish potato. This is sweet potato. But if you're a fan or if you've tasted the purple colored potato, you can write it in the comment section. If you have never tasted the purple colored potato, then definitely I'm going to bring it on this channel so that you can see that we have two types of potato, the purple one and the white one. The two, they are sweet. When it comes to their taste, I can't really tell which is sweeter. It's different from Irish potato. Irish potato is different totally from this potato. So this one is sweet potato. So we are roasting sweet potato today. And to roast our sweet potato, you wash the potato. You wash it, make sure you wash one by one and make sure it is clean. After you've washed it thoroughly, you can use your brush, you can use your hand and wash. Then the next thing, after washing, you're going to soak the potato. You soak it. You don't wash it immediately and put it on it. So we are soaking it. That's the first step we are taking. So we're going to be soaking the potato right now. Then after soaking the potato, we are now moving to our charcoal pot. So we are going to be putting on our charcoal pot because we are going to be using charcoal pot to roast our sweet potato today. So this is sweet potato. I love this sweet potato so much because of the taste. And when you have roasted all the water, you're going to get it drained out. And one important thing, by soaking that sweet potato, you're actually reducing the starch content from the potato. So it's very, very good for children and it's very, very good for adults. So you get your charcoal prepared and it's not when the fire. You can also use your oven or your air fryer to make your roasted potato. Anyone that is available is very, very okay. I love roasted potato too much. I like it. So that's why I had to like, okay, let me share with you guys how much I love roasted potato. So after the charcoal is very hot, you just place your potato, washed and soaked potato. You soak it for about 30 minutes. So the process of in my own process, the way I prepared it, the process of getting the charcoal ready. So the potato was inside the water soaking. So by the time I was through, it was even more than 30 minutes because the charcoal itself takes a very long time to really come up and get hot. But if you're using your air fryer or you are using your oven, you just have to allow your potato to soak in water. Make sure they are really soaked in water. Then you can see the magic of potato. So our potato is roasting. You have to turn it, though you don't mind the burning aspect. So if you are roasting your potato and it looks like it's burning, no, it's not actually burning because of the first layer was not peeled out. So it's the first layer that will be getting burned, not your potato itself. So you make sure you have to turn all the time. Don't just leave your potato and move away. You have to turn it because when some parts are getting burned, you have to change it to the other part. Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. Thank you for always coming here to watch Oju Olakpe Space. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much to all my subscribers. I'm grateful and I say thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And if you're watching me for the very first time, my name remains Oju Olakpe Space. You are the right place. Right place. And you are fully welcome. Get your popcorn. Make sure you sit well and enjoy our videos. And if you've not been checking out my videos, just take the opportunity of checking the wonderful Vlogmas videos that have been posted from on the 1st of December 2022 till date. Today is 2022 December. Woo! So you can just take opportunity to watch all the videos Ojulakpe has been sharing. So our potato is gradually getting brown. That is getting brown all round, but is not ready. Our potato is not ready, but the heat, make sure you are not using direct fire. This is not so close to the potato. I try as much as possible to make sure that there is a distance so that it won't just get burned outside, then the inside will not get soft. So that is one thing about potato. So for you to know if your potato is ready, once you hold it in your hand and press it, it looks soft. You feel the softness. It will look so soft, like you're pressing a very soft substance. It is ready. So that's why I opened it. And guy, it was very, very hot. I had to like drop it. This in the bomb. So our potato is ready. This potato, I bought it 300 naira. So this worth of potato can, if you're roasting it, it can take you like 45 to 50 minutes because it's unlike the plantain bole that gets ready fast. Potato doesn't get ready so fast. So you have to be patient and don't give it too much heat so that the outer part is not going to get burnt completely and the inside is still going to be very hard. So you can see gotten our potato. So I had to like put some aside and check for the other. So by the time I was checking, everything is very, very soft. You just have to pack it away from the heat. Pack it away from the heat. The thing was actually burning my hand, man. It was so hot. So pack it away from the heat. And the next thing we're going to be doing right now is to check and see how the potato looks like. So these are potato. These are roasted potato at home. You can do this. There's one thing about roasted potato. The taste is like you are eating sugar. It has a natural sweetness that your kids will like. Guys, you could imagine, as I was peeling this potato, my children were standby. You know, police, they like it too much. My children love roasted potato. I don't know, they like it too much. So as I was peeling, they didn't even allow me to snap. Before I could look at my side, they've taken and start sharing. I was like, man, I want to show people, but well, this is a better way too. You want to check if the potato is ready. Just take your fork and insert inside. You're going to see that it will just go in straight. It shows it is ready without breaking it. If you want to confirm if it is ready, just get your fork, dip it inside. Can you see? So in peeling your potato, you just peel out the outer layer. The outer layer is enough. Once you peel it, can you see? Wow, so yummy. And you can actually enjoy this roasted sweet potato with your sauce, with your palm oil, with butter. These are the things you can enjoy with your sweet roasted potato. Man, like I said, I'm so sorry my children will not allow me to show you everything. As I'm peeling, they are eating it. I was telling them, look, we are doing this for people to see that this is how much we enjoyed our potato. So we won't be just the only one eating sweet potato, especially now that the children, they are on holiday. You can just make and roast sweet potato for them. Potato is cheap. It's cheaper now, and the starch in potato is not so much. An elderly person can take it. The sugar content is not so much. It's a natural sugar that is very, very okay for energy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye.